Hello, and in this video, very short, very sweet, perfect hack for you. We all live and do busy lives. It's guaranteed. Those busy lives lead us to a point where you sit there and think, oh, I saw that pizza, that frozen pizza in the pizza aisle, you know, I'm drawn by it, you know, but it says it's good, but it's not great. So why settle for good? We can actually have a bit of a hack and go for great at home. So forget that frozen pizza. You've got a frozen pizza ball already in the freezer. So you're taking your freezer out. You want to get it from frozen like this to soft and pliable and malleable like that in as short a possible time. How can I do that? It's really simple because everybody's got one at home. It's not a microwave. Do not use a microwave to try and attempt to defrost your pizza dough ball. It creates uneven heat. No matter what people will say about it, it cooks in really weird ways and it will just destroy your dough ball. So please don't use an oven. Please don't use a microwave oven. Use your conventional kitchen oven. So the trick with this, turn your oven up to 50 to 75 degrees only. No higher than that. Let it get to temperature, which will only take a couple of minutes. When it gets to temperature, set your timer going for 5 minutes. So it just gives that oven a nice bit of ambient internal heat. With your dough ball inside your proofing pot to stop it from drying out, place it inside the oven. You can stack them. I've done 6, 8 at a time. Stack them in there. Leave it for about 40 minutes and it'll be rested, proved up a bit. Keep an eye on it because sometimes they can start to run away with themselves as the yeast in the proofing period sort of accelerates a bit. But watch it, wait until it sort of doubles in size so you get to about that sort of size in terms of proofing resting period, dough ball size. Take it out, press it out as you normally would. There you go. 6 minutes after that, or you might be cooking outside, 90 seconds in a pizza oven, 6 minutes in a conventional kitchen oven. You didn't need a takeaway, you didn't need to hit the freezer aisle, you've hit your freezer drawer, perfect pizza every night. Thanks for watching.